Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to learn that how we can register our Lycamobile SIM card step by step. So make sure you watch this video till end. And if you have any problems with English and you want to watch this video in your native language like German, French, Portuguese, Hindi, or any other language, then you can just click on the subtitle option right below, because in this video I'm going to share some important tips. So if you can't able to get those important tips, you will be never able to register your Lycamobile SIM card. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with this video. Okay, so first of all, you just need to search Lycamobile Register on your PC browser, and then you just need to go to the first link which says SIM card registration and activation. Now here you just need to select the option which you want to work with, if you want to insert your mobile number or if you want to use your PUC code. Inside the PUC code you need the PUC code and 19-digit SIM code. But inside the mobile number you need just your mobile number and the last 4 digit of your SIM card. So I'm just going to use this option and I'm just going to insert the details I have. Then click on continue, and here just enter your date of birth. After entering your date of birth, here comes the main point which we need to focus while registering our Lycamobile SIM card, because this time a lot of people fails on this step. Okay, so here I'm just going to type the first name and the last name. Now make sure you never give an extra space after your first name and the last name, because this extra space causes error while we are registering our Lycamobile SIM card. So make sure you never write this space or never give this extra space. So try avoiding adding these spaces, because these spaces never let us register our Lycamobile SIM card. Now let's come to the second point, which is gonna be if you have 3 names, which is gonna be your first name, your middle name, and your last name. So what you're going to do in this kind of situation. So for that, you can see this example given on the screen. You can type something like this. Okay, so here you just need to add your email address, and then in the other contact number section, you can add the contact number of your friend or of your family member. Then in the Portuguese VAT number section, you just need to type the NIF, contribuint, or physical number. Then in the street, city, and the postcode section, you just need to type your address details. So you just need to type your street name, then the city name, and your postcode. Then in the house number, you just need to type your house number. But if you don't have any house number, you can type your street name. And in the street name, you can again type the street name. In the city, you just need to type the city. And in the state or in the country, you just need to type your country. Okay. And then again, you just need to type your postcode. So here you just need to check all the boxes, and here if you want to receive the notification, you can click yes, and if you don't want to receive the notification, you can click on the no. And then you need to again check these 2 boxes to receive your notification by email and by SMS. Then you just need to accept these 2 policies and click on continue. Okay, so now here we'll get a summary of the details we have filled up. We can just see their details, and if we think they are okay, we can click on continue. Otherwise we can click on edit, and then we can change those details. After that, you will see a congratulations thing, that congratulations, your registration has been successfully done. But wait, first of all, we just need to click on my Lycamobile and click on login section, and we are just going to confirm that if we have registered successfully or not. Okay, so here I'm just going to enter the mobile number which I have registered, and then I'm just going to type the password. So the password, you will get a notification on your email which you have given in the form. So you will get a password in that email, but if you haven't received any password, then you can click on forget password. But in this case, I have the password, so I'm just going to type the password, and then I'm just going to click on the login. So as you can see, finally we have our Lycamobile SIM registered. We can see here our call history, our transaction history, our profile, our balance, and all this stuff. Now here I'm just going to change the password. For that, I'm just going to click on my profile. Then I'm just going to click on the change password option right over here. And here I'm just going to type my old password, and then I'm just going to type my new password and click on submit. After that, you can see it is saying your password has been changed successfully. Now I'm just going to click on this blue line which says login again. So after clicking on this option, just click on my account option again, and here you just need to type the mobile number and the password which we have changed, and then we just need to click on login option again, And as you can see, finally our Lycamobile SIM has been registered successfully. So my dear friends, this is all in this video. I hope you liked it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends.